Whether you're moving into a dorm room, getting groceries up to your apartment, or just striving to stay independent, our mission at UpCart has always been to help improve mobility. We are proud to introduce the world's most compact stair climber, the UpCart City.
One of the things we've learned over the years and value greatly is the feedback we receive from our customers. Although we've had a great response on our UpCart line of products, customers were asking for a smaller, lighter, less expensive version of the UpCart for lighter duty daily use.
UpCart City simplifies daily tasks by reducing the effort of carrying items on stairs, over curbs, and irregular terrain. Patented technology allows the UpCart City to fold completely flat for easy storage. It weighs less than 8 pounds, and the 14-inch platform is strong enough to carry up to 77 pounds. Plus, the wheels are 100% behind the frame, allowing for better balancing of your cargo for wide objects.
With your help, we will start shipping this fall and help save people's backs one stair at a time.